Good morning. During previous live session, we have learned about frustum of a cone. Today we are going to learn next part of this topic, that is sector of a circle. First we are going to read these definitions, all these definitions one by one, and we'll understand all meanings of all these definitions by using diagram. आधी आपण डेफिनेशन एक 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 करून वाचून घेऊया आणि त्यानंतर त्याचा अर्थ काय आहे दॅट विल लर्न. First one, sector of a circle is the part enclosed by two radii of the circle and arc joining their end points. सेक्टर म्हणजे काय? सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल इज द पार्ट, हा एक भाग आहे कशाचा? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल विच इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय टू रेडियाई, दोन रेडियानी एनक्लोज झालेला किंवा बंदिस्त झालेला. नाउ हियर देयर आर टू रेडियाई, दॅट इज रेडियस OP and रेडियस OQ. पण या दोन रेडियाई पार्ट एनक्लोज करण्यासाठी पुरेशा नाहीये, तर अजून काय आहे? टू रेडियाई ऑफ द सर्कल अँड आर्क जॉइनिंग देअर एंड पॉइंट्स, आणि एक आर्क आहे त्यांना जोडलेला, पण कोणता आर्क? जॉइनिंग देअर एंड पॉइंट्स. या रेडियाचे एंड पॉइंट्स मीन्स OP चा एंड पॉइंट आहे पॉइंट P आणि OQ या रेडियसचा एंड पॉइंट आहे पॉइंट Q. हे दोन एंड पॉइंट्स जोडणारा आर्क जॉइनिंग देअर एंड पॉइंट्स मीन्स आर्क PMQ, म्हणजेच रेडियस OP, रेडियस OQ आणि आर्क PMQ या तिघांनी मिळून बंदिस्त झालेला, एनक्लोज झालेला पार्ट, दॅट इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर ऑफ दॅट सर्कल. Now here this portion is called sector of this circle. This part of area of circle. Area of circle चा भाग, that is called sector. पण तो कशामुळे तयार झालेला? It is because of two radii. We see OP and OQ are the two radii. आणि काय दिलेलं आहे बंदिस्त होण्यासाठी? That is RPMQ, that is the arc which joins end points of these two radii. That is RPMQ, means radius OP, radius OQ आणि arc PMQ या तिघांनी मिळून बंदिस्त झालेला हा भाग, that is called sector of this circle. Now this part is sector. Now this part is also sector. हा सुद्धा उरलेला भाग आहे, हा सुद्धा सेक्टरच आहे. त्यासाठी रेडिया त्याच येतील, that is radius OP and radius OQ, पण arc कोणता घ्यायचा आहे? arc PBQ. Therefore, this remaining part will be also sector. This part will be also sector. But what is the difference between these two parts that we will see in next definition? हा जो रंगवलेला भाग दिसतोय, this part, this is also sector, आणि हा न रंगवलेला भाग, उरलेला भाग सर्कलचा, that is also sector. पण या दोन पार्ट मध्ये डिफरन्स काय? that we will see in these two definition. Now, first definition, that is minor sector. Sector of a circle enclosed by two radii and their corresponding minor arc, this word is important, is called minor sector. म्हणजे सेक्टर पण तो कोणता? enclosed by two radii and their corresponding minor arc. आता ह्या दोन radii आणि त्यांचा corresponding minor arc. Now this arc is minor arc and this arc is major arc. या दोन डेफिनेशन तुम्हाला 8वी झालेले आहेत, 9वी झालेले आहेत. Now this arc is minor arc. Now the part of the sector or sector of a circle enclosed by two radii and corresponding minor arc. दोन radii आणि minor arc यांनी enclose झालेला part, that is called minor sector. Minor arc ने enclose झालेला minor sector, आणि त्याच्या बरोबर opposite major arc ने enclose झालेला sector, this part is called major sector. That is sector of a circle enclosed by two radii and their corresponding major arc. Major arc is called a major sector. Now here these are two radii, that is OP and OQ, and their corresponding major arc is RPBQ. Therefore the sector of a circle which enclosed by two radii and corresponding major arc, now this part is called major sector. This is minor sector and this part is major sector. Means both are sectors. The sector which corresponds to minor arc is minor sector, and the sector which corresponds to major arc is major sector. Now, examples are given, that is O dash P M. Now sector is given denoted by using this symbol, that is O dash PMQ. O dash means O is the center of that circle. Dash name of that arc which corresponds to that sector, that is O dash PMQ. This is the name of this sector, that is minor sector. तसंच या सेक्टरचं नाव काय आहे पहा, center is same, that is O dash PBQ or we can take it as QBP. याचं सुद्धा असं सुद्धा घेता येईल, that is Q O dash QMP. both are same, means O dash PMQ is minor sector and O dash PBQ is a major sector. These are the two examples given in this diagram. This is about sector of a circle, definition, minor sector, major sector and examples. Now we will learn something more about sector of a circle in this lesson, that is area of sector. Area of sector, we will find out formula for area of sector. For area of sector या सेक्टरचा एरिया काढण्यासाठी सेंट्रल अँगल किती घेतलेला आहे आपण, that is theta. For this area of sector we have considered as central angle, or we have taken central angle as theta, means for area of sector central angle is equal to theta. Now for area of whole circle, पूर्ण सर्कलच्या एरियासाठी सेंट्रल अँगल किती आहे, पूर्ण एरियासाठी म्हणजे हा जर मधला भाग नाहीच आहे असं समजलं तर पूर्ण सर्कल साठी सेंट्रल अँगल म्हणजे हा अँगल, दिस अँगल इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. मीन्स फॉर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, पूर्ण सर्कलच्या एरियासाठी सेंट्रल अँगल किती येईल, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. लिसन अगेन, फॉर एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, फक्त सेक्टर साठी म्हणजे एवढ्या पार्ट साठी सेंट्रल अँगल वी हॅव कन्सिडर्ड ॲज थीटा, and for whole circle or area of whole circle central angle is 360 degree. Now by taking these ratios we will get numerator upon denominator is equal to numerator upon denominator. Therefore we will get area of sector divided by area of circle is equal to theta upon 360 degree. कारण जसं एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर वाढत जाईल तसं सेंट्रल अँगल सुद्धा वाढत जाईल. Therefore we can take ratios of these together. Therefore area of sector upon area of circle is equal to theta upon 360 degree. Means we will get this value. Now area of sector upon area of circle is nothing but pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. That is equal to theta upon 360 degree. Now taking this pi r square that side, we will get area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Hence we will get formula as area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Means to find area of sector we must know value of theta, means central angle of which is corresponding to that sector, and radius of that circle. म्हणजे एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला या दोन व्हॅल्यू गरजेच्या आहेत, दॅट इज थीटा म्हणजे सेंट्रल अँगल, थीटा मीन्स अँगल, central angle corresponding to that sector, and r means radius of that circle, and pi is if it is given then it will be 3.14 or 22/7. If it is not given then we have to take it as 22/7. This is about area of sector and formula. Now we will solve examples related with area of sector. First take screenshot of this, then we will move towards example number 1 from practice set 7.3. We'll start with some simple examples or basic examples. This is example number 1 from practice set 7.3. Example number 1, in which radius of a circle is given as 10 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is measure of an arc of a circle is 54 degree. 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. Find the area of sector associated with the arc. In which pi is given as 3.14. See what is given. Radius of a circle is given as 10 centimeter, means r is given as 10. Measure of that arc is given as 54 degree. Measure of arc means angle theta is given as 54 degree. And we want area of sector, and in which pi is given as 3.14. Very simple example. First we have to write what is given, that is radius, that is r is given as 10 centimeter. Then theta is given as 54 degree and pi is given as 3.4. Now area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is equal to theta is 54 upon 360 into pi is 3.14 into r is 10 square. You can divide these two numbers by 18. 18 3 54, 18 2 36, that is 3 upon 20 into 3.14 into 10 square is 100. 3.14 into 100, that is 314. That is equal to, dividing these two by 2 will get 3 into 157 divided by 10. By calculation we will get answer as 47.1 centimeter square. Answer will be 47.1 centimeter square. Means 3 into 15.7 means 3 into 3 into 157 means 3 into 15.7. By multiplying these two, we will get 47.1 centimeter square. See once again. Radius is given as 10 centimeter, theta is 54 degree, pi is 3.14. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi square. Theta is 54, pi is 3.14, r is 10 square. By calculation, we will get answer of area of sector as 47.1 centimeter square. Very simple example. Only a calculation is there, nothing more than that. Take screenshot if you want. Then move towards example number 4 from practice set 7.3. Example number 4. Since example number 1, 4, 6, all these are on sector of a circle. Therefore, I have skipped some examples which are on length of that arc, that we will see during next live session. Now, example number 4. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Area of sector of the circle is is 100 centimeters square. Find the area of its corresponding major arc. Find the area its corresponding major arc, in which pi is given as 3.14 again. Pi is equal to 3.14. Now see what is given. Radius of a circle is 10. Circle ची radius 10 आहे. Area of a sector of the circle is 100. Area of sector दिलेला आहे 100. Means area of minor sector is given, that is 100. And find the measure of its corresponding find the area of its corresponding major arc. Means area of sector corresponding with minor arc is given, that is area of minor sector is given as 100, and we want area of major sector. Minor sector चा एरिया दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला मेजर सेक्टर चा एरिया काढायचा आहे. डायग्राम ची गरज नाही, तुम्ही समजण्यासाठी पुन्हा एकदा काढतो. Now this is circle with center O, suppose circle with center O, and there are two radii, suppose OA, OB, and these are two points, that is PQ. Now this part is called minor sector. या पार्टला मायनर सेक्टर म्हणतात, जे आपण आताच पाहिलं. and this remaining part is called major sector. मग मायनर सेक्टरचा एरिया इथे दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला मेजर सेक्टरचा एरिया काढायचा आहे. फॉर दॅट if you subtract area of minor sector from area of circle, then the remaining part will be area of major sector. या पार्टचा एरिया काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला संपूर्ण सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर म्हणजे हा भाग मायनस करावा लागेल, सबट्रॅक्ट करावा लागेल. मग आपल्याला हा उरलेला भाग मिळेल. पुन्हा एकदा ऐका. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल संपूर्ण एरिया मायनस एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर, हा भाग त्यातून मायनस केला, देन द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन विल बी एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. हा उरलेला भाग म्हणजे या दोघांचं सबट्रॅक्शन असेल. म्हणजेच आपल्याला आधी एरिया ऑफ सर्कल काढावा लागेल. या सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर जो दिलेला आहे, दॅट इज 100 मायनस केले की आपल्याला एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर म्हणजे या भागाचा एरिया मिळेल. मीन्स यू हॅव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सर्कल फर्स्ट. By subtracting area of minor sector from area of circle, we will get area of major sector. Now here R is given as 10 centimeter and pi is given as 3.14. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 3.14 into r square means 10 square. 10 square is 100 into 3.14, that is 340 centimeter square. This is about area of circle. म्हणजे संपूर्ण सर्कलचा आहे. आता या सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर म्हणजे 100 मायनस केले की आपल्याला हवा असलेला आन्सर मिळेल. एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून मायनर सेक्टरचा एरिया मायनस करतोय आपण. Now area of circle is 314 minus area of minor sector is given, that is 100 centimeter square. Therefore 314 minus 100, that is 214 centimeter square. Therefore area of major sector is 214 centimeter square. Take screenshot. Now move towards example number 6 from practice set 7.3. In which one figure is given. It is of circle with center O and one central angle is given, means sector is given. Circle of the center is O, and there are two radii, that is OM and ON, and this angle is given as 68 degree in your textbook and change it as 60 degree. पुस्तकात तो 68 डिग्री जर दिलेला असेल तर तो 60 डिग्री असं चेंज करा, कारण दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मध्ये म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जी व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे ती 60 डिग्री आहे. 68 डिग्री घेऊन पण आपण सॉल्व करू शकतो, but in that example it is given as 60 degree. Then this point is B and this upper point is C. Now the question is, radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, and the question is find number 1 area of the circle, number 2 area of O dash MBN, and number 3 area of O dash MCN. See what is given. Radius of this circle is given as 7, means ON is equal to 7, and central angle for this corresponding minor arc is given as 60 degree. This angle is given as 60 degree. It is given as 60 degree in your textbook. Change it as 60 degree. This angle theta is given as 60 degree, and we want area of circle and area of minor sector and area of major sector, that is O dash MCN. We'll start with area of circle. Now here R is given as 7 centimeter. Pi is not given. Pi दिलेला नाही. आपण सर्कलच्या एरियाने स्टार्ट करूया. नंबर 1 area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 22 by 7 into radius 7 into 7. 7 square means 7 into 7. That is 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeters square. This is the value of first question. That is area of circle is 154 centimeters square. Now, second one, area of minor sector, that is O dash MBN. O dash MBN is minor sector. Number 2, area, I am going to write directly name, that is area of O dash MBN. That is area of minor sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is equal to theta is 60 upon 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. That is equal to 22 into 7, that is 154 into 6, into 1, that is 154 divided by 6. That is equal to 25.66 recurring, therefore I'll take it as 25.67 centimeters square. This is area of minor sector, that is area of sector O dash MBN. Now the last step is to find area of major sector O dash MCN. That is you don't have to calculate this by using this formula. You can calculate by using this formula also, that is taking theta as या arc साठी किंवा या sector साठी theta किती घ्याल, that is this angle will be theta. इथून इथपर्यंतचा angle theta आहे. आता हा कसा काढाल, that is whole angle 360, हा संपूर्ण 360 minus a 60, that is 360 minus 60, therefore this angle will be 300 degree. Means by taking theta as 300 degree and by using this formula you can find area of major sector. म्हणजे 300 डिग्री थीटा घेऊन आणि r सेम दॅट इज 7 घेऊन आणि बाय युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला यू कॅन फाइंड आउट दिस आन्सर. ही एक पद्धत झाली. किंवा आपल्याला दुसरी पद्धत जी सोपी आहे दॅट इज एरिया ऑफ सर्कल मधून हा भाग मायनस केला दॅट इज एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर मायनस केला देन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट विल बी एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. जे सोपं आहे कारण सर्कलचा एरिया ऑलरेडी काढलेलाच आहे मायनर सेक्टरचा पण एरिया काढलेलाच आहे फक्त या दोघांचं सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं आहे then we'll get this answer. Yes, we don't want this angle now. Now area of number 3, area of O dash MCL, that is area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of circle minus area of O dash MBL. Area of circle minus area of minor sector, that is equal to area of circle is 154 minus area of minor sector is that is 25.67, and after subtracting 25.67 from 154 we will get the answer as 128.33 centimeters square. तर सबट्रॅक्ट करताना 154.00 घ्या आणि त्यातून हे सबट्रॅक्ट करा then you will get answer as this much, that is 128.33 centimeters square. See once again, r is given as 7, we have found that is area of circle as this much, then area of minor sector by using theta upon 16 to pi r square, theta is 60 degree, r is 7, we will get this answer. And area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. By subtracting these two, we will get answer of area of major sector also. Take screenshot. आणखी दोन एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व करूया which are related with area of sector. That is example number 1 from practice set, example number 11 from practice set 7.3. That is the area of minor sector of a circle is the area of minor sector of a circle is 3.85 centimeters square, and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree, and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree. 36 degree. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. See what is given. Area of minor sector is given as 3.85. Area of minor sector दिलेला आहे 3.85 centimeters square. Area of and measure of central angle is given. Measure of central angle is given means degree means it is theta. Angle is given, that is theta is given as 36 degree, and we want radius of that circle. Radius आपल्याला काढायचे. एरवी रेडियस आणि थीटा दिलेला असतो, मायनर सेक्टर काढायचा असतो, एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर काढायचा असतो. आता एरिया दिलेला आहे, थीटा दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला रेडियस काढायचे आहे. फॉर्म्युला इज सेम. नाउ थीटा इज 36 degree and area is given and we want r, and we know formula area of sector is equal to area of sector of the circle is equal to, or area of sector or area of minor sector is equal to, it is minor sector, obviously since angle is 36 degree, that is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, in which pi is not given. Pi दिलेला नाही. Now area of sector is given, that is 3.85. We can take it as it is, that is 3.85. एरवी या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्या असतात आणि आपण ही व्हॅल्यू काढतो. आता ही व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे, थीटा दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला r स्क्वेअर काढायचा आहे. फ्रॉम दॅट वी विल गेट r. It is 3.85 is equal to theta is 36 upon 360 into pi is 22/7 into r square. Now keep r square here only and take all these values here. किंवा आधी याला डिवाइड करून घेऊया. 10 10 चा भाग जाईल 36 1 36 0 0. Therefore we will get 3.85 and these 10 and 7 which are divided here, it will become multiplied into 10 into 7 and 22 will get divided by 22 is equal to r square, and by calculation we will get r square is equal to 3.85 into 10, that is 38.5 into 7 divided by 22. आता या दोघांना 11 चा भाग झाला, 11 दुने 22, 11 त्रिक 33 पॉइंट 5 उरले 11 पैकी 55. Therefore r square is equal to 3.5 into 7 ला 2 ने भागल्यानंतर येईल आन्सर 3.5 वगैरे. 7 divided by 2, that is again 3.5. Therefore r square is equal to 3.5 into 3.5. Therefore r is equal to 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 means it is 3.5 square. Taking square roots on both sides, we will get r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore radius of that circle is 3.5 centimeter. See once again. Theta is given as 36 degree, area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square, but area of sector is given, theta is given and we want r square, then we will get r. By calculation we will get r square as 3.5 into 3.5 is 3.5 square. Taking square roots on both sides, we will get r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Means radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. Take screenshot, then we will move towards the last example of this live session. हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला आजच पुन्हा एकदा सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. स्क्रीनशॉट न पाहता सॉल्व करायचे. सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स आजच स्क्रीनशॉट न पाहता सॉल्व करा. तर मूव टुवर्ड्स एक्झाम्पल नंबर 12 from practice set 7.3, in which one figure is given. Example number 12. One diagram is given, which is a rectangle. The name of this rectangle is PQRS, and some arcs are given like this and like this. It is a rectangle, therefore all the 4 angles are right angles, 90 degree. This part is denoted by symbol X, this one is Y, and this one is Z. And PQ is given as 14. PQ is given as 14 centimeter. QR is given as 21 centimeter. PQ 14 दिलेला आहे, QR 21 centimeter दिलेला आहे. PQRS is a rectangle which is given, and the question is find the areas of the parts x, y, z. x हा जो पार्ट आहे त्याचा एरिया काढायचा आहे, y चा एरिया काढायचा आहे, y हा जो पार्ट दाखवलेला आहे that is this part याचा एरिया काढायचा आहे, z चा एरिया काढायचा आहे, that is this remaining part. Now we'll start with x, then we'll move towards y, and then we'll find out z, area of z. We'll start with x first. Now what is x here? X म्हणजे कोणता भाग आहे? What is x? हा पार्ट म्हणजे कोणता भाग आहे? Which geometry figure is here? And that is nothing but sector. हा सेक्टर आहे in which theta is given as 90 degree. या सेक्टर साठी सेंट्रल अँगल दिलेला आहे 90 डिग्री. रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल म्हणजे सर्कल जर असं पूर्ण वाढवलं तर त्याचा हा एक भाग आहे, तुकडा आहे. Theta is given as 90 degree and radius that is given as 14. This one is 14, this is also 14. This R is given as 14 and theta is given as 90 degree. We can find area of part X. That is nothing but area of sector Q dash P. Suppose this point is S. PS. Or we will write this as simply area of part X or area of sector. This will start with X first. That is area of sector with center Q is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is 90 upon 360 into pi is not given. Pi is not given, therefore consider it as 22 by 7 into radius is 14, that is 14 into 14. दोनचा भाग जाईल, दोनचा. Therefore we get answer as 22 into 14. 22 into 14. It is 308 centimeter square. 308 centimeter square. Sorry. हाँ 9 चौक 4 चा भाग आहे इथे, 9 चौक 36 इथे 2 चा भाग आहे. That is 154 centimeters square. 22 into 2 येते 7. It is 154 centimeters square. Area of sector with center Q is 154 centimeters square. Now we'll move towards area of sector with center R. R center असणार आहे, सेक्टरचा एरिया काढूया. That is area of part Y. आता हे जे आन्सर काढलं that is area of part X. This will write here as area of part X, that is equal to 154 centimeters square. Now we move towards area of part Y. That is area of sector with center R. Area of sector with center R, that is again theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now here theta is also 90 degree, but r is not given. We have to find r first. R आपल्याला दिलेला नाही, आधी r आपल्याला काढून घ्यावा लागेल. In which this value is given as 21 centimeter. QR दिलेला आहे 21 centimeter. From that we can find out r, radius of this part, that is SR. Now QR is 21 and QS is nothing but PQ is nothing but 14. आणि ही रेडियस आहे त्यामुळे ही सुद्धा रेडियस येईल या सेक्टरची. Therefore this one is 14, therefore this will be again 14. QR is 21, this is 14, therefore this remaining part will be 7 centimeter. SR किती आहे तर 7 centimeter, means radius of this sector will be 7 centimeter. I am going to write this directly, that is, alright, I will calculate here that radius first, that is SR is equal to QR minus QS, that is equal to 21 minus 14, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Now I'll take R as 7 centimeter, that is theta is 90, again 90 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Therefore you get 22 into 7, that is 154 divided by 4, that is equal to 34, 4 8 32, 2 4 5 20, 38.5 centimeter square. Area of sector with center R is 38.5 centimeter square. This area of part Y is 38.5 centimeter square. Means X चा एरिया मिळाला, Y चा एरिया मिळाला. Now remaining part is Z. आता आपल्याला Z चा एरिया मिळवायचा आहे. Means for that we have to find area of rectangle. Rectangle चा एरिया काढावा लागेल आणि त्या rectangle च्या एरियातून X आणि Y मायनस केला तर शिल्लक राहिलेला भाग म्हणजेच एरिया पार्ट Z. Z चा एरिया मिळेल. Listen once again. We have to calculate area of rectangle first, and by subtracting area of part X and area of part Y from that area of rectangle, we will get area of part Z. We will calculate this. First take screenshot, then we will calculate area of part Z. Take screenshot. Number 3, area of rectangle PQRS is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is 14 and breadth is 21. Breadth is 21. Therefore, area of rectangle will be 294 centimeters square. संपूर्ण रेक्टँगल चा एरिया 294 येईल. जो आपल्याला विचारलेला आहे पण जो आपल्याला Z साठी लागेल. And last part is area of part Z. Number 4, area of part Z, that is area of rectangle minus area of part X minus area of part Y. Area of rectangle मधून X आणि Y मायनस केला. Area of rectangle is 294 minus area of part X is 154 minus area of part Y is 38.5, and after calculation we will get answer of this is 101.5 centimeters square. Therefore area of part Z, which is not a sector, which is the remaining part of this rectangle, is 101.5 centimeters square. This complete solution of this example number 2. ही सगळी आजची झालेली एक्झाम्पल्स आज घरी पुन्हा स्क्रीनशॉटचा वापर न करता सॉल्व्ह करा. लास्ट पर्याय म्हणजे स्क्रीनशॉट, म्हणजे अगदीच जर काही समजत नसेल, आठवत नसेल तर स्क्रीनशॉटचा वापर करा. अन्यथा स्क्रीनशॉटचा वापर न करता सॉल्व्ह ऑल these examples today only. We stop here. Thank you.